song po na ipina-assign si Sir Jano sa akin ay If I Had You po by Adam Lambert. Medyo po, nahihirapan po ko.
Jano, hindi ko po gusto yung kanta ko.
Ipinasok po yung kanta ko sa iPad tapos naghintay na lang po ako sa lyrics para ma-memorize ko na tsaka ma-familiarize yung mga parts po na nataas. Abangan niyo po yung performance ko ngayon dahil may ipasasabog ako sa inyong lahat. Watch out!
So I got my boots on, got the right amount of leather, and I'm doing the up with the black color liner. I'm working my stride, but I know it don't matter. All we need in this world is some love. There's a thin line to the dark side and the light side. Maybe tonight it's a struggle, gotta rumble, trying to find it. But if I had you, that would be the only thing I'd ever need. And if I had you, then money, fame, and fortune never could compete. If I had you, life would be a party, it'd be ecstasy. And if I had you, you, if I had the flashing of the lights, it might feel so good, but I've got you stuck on my mind, yeah. The flashing and the stage, it might get me high, but it don't mean a thing tonight. That would be the only one I ever need. Yeah, if I had you, then money, fame, and fortune never could compete. If I had you, life would be a party, it'd be ecstasy. Yeah, if I had you, if I had, yeah.
All right, Nomer. Mr. E, did he get you?
Oh, he
Did he get you?
Swerte ko talaga ngayon dahil ngayon ako ang guest judge at natapat akong magsalita at mag-comment para sa'yo. So far, ikaw pa lang ang nakakuha sa akin. Na-entertain talaga ako. Grabe. Aside from the fact that weakness ko talaga yung mga kabataan na maraming talent kagaya mo, Nomer. You have the confidence na hindi ko pa nakikita with the two previous girls. Alam niyo, pasensya na kayo. Wala talaga akong alam na background, mga drama dito. Para pala tong soap opera, ang mga kababaihan talaga, mahilig mag-away. Kung ako sa kanila, advice ko sa kanila, they should use that tension between them so that they can get better and more competitive. Kagaya ng ginawa ni Direk Bert, na-motivate mo si Denise na paiyak mo. Anyway, going back to you, that's not a madali song. May pagkasadista talaga yan si Jano. Pasensya ka na. Kaibigan ko yan, pero bad yan. Para sa akin, you did a fantastic job. Wala akong masabing pintas. Ang hirap nun, Adam Lambert. You got it. I'm with you.
Tsaka, Nomer, madagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni Mr. Hill.
Talagang
Kung
pangalan.
sa tingin ng mga iba, mga kalaban mo, na bata ka lang, na parang paganong-ganong ka lang, dapat seryosohin ka nila.
Oo.
After several
Dapat.
weeks,
Ikaw, you're an inspiration.
serious
In fact.
contender ka sa pagka-protege.
The other competitors should start watching and being inspired by you.
Rachel Ann, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Nomer?
Ako talaga wala akong kahirap-hirap. Hindi ako nahihirapan turuan si Nomer dahil napakagaling, napaka-confident na bata. Yes. And maraming salamat sa ating judges. Thank you.
Curious lang ako, pati ba yung steps ikaw nagtuturo sa kanya? Yung mga
Ako,
talon-talon niya, gano'n.
yung mga ganun, yung mga astig. Actually, medyo konti. Pero natural na sa kanya yun
Oo
eh.
nga eh.
Natural na sa kay Nomer yun.
He's got
Magaling na
that
bata.
presence.
Kaya yun, pwedeng makausad hanggang finale si Nomer. Kung iboboto niya siya by texting Protege, space Nomer and send to 367 or 2344. Ito, oras ulit para sa ating live ranking. Okay. On the first spot is Denise, followed by Samantha, at pumapangatlo si Nomer. For now, ha? For now pa lang yan. Thank you, Rachel and Nomer. Maraming salamat sa inyo.